All right, let me ask you something. Have you ever dumped one of those bottles of fuel injector cleaner into your gas tank, felt like you just did your car a huge favor, only to realize later nothing changed? Or worse, it started running rougher? All right, here's the truth. Not all injector cleaners are created equal. A lot of the cheap ones you see at gas stations or auto shops are basically colored water in a bottle with a flashy label. Some of them do not clean at all, some can actually gum up your injectors, and most of them are just a waste of cash. But do not stress. Today, we are cutting through the hype. I'll show you 8 injector cleaners you should avoid, and then we'll finish with 5 that actually work and are recommended by mechanics and real drivers. By the end, you'll know exactly what to grab and what to leave behind. Quick breakdown. Fuel injectors are like little spray nozzles, right? Just like the nozzle on your kitchen sink. Over time, they get dirty. Carbon builds up, dirt sneaks in, and that fine mist spray is not so fine anymore. When that happens, your car can start idling rough, losing power, and burning more gas than it should. And that's when people grab injector cleaners. But here's the catch. With shelves full of miracle fixes, it's easy to get fooled. I've seen this firsthand. Friends wasting money on weak products that did nothing but make them feel like they were maintaining their car. You don't want to be that person.
8 overrated injector cleaners to skip. Number 1, gum out multi-system tune-up. Sounds impressive, right? Multi-system makes it sound like one bottle will fix your entire car. But I have heard from plenty of drivers who said, yeah, I used it, didn't notice a single thing. One guy I know poured it into his older Honda Civic, drove around for 2 weeks expecting smoother acceleration, nothing. Same rough idle, same sluggish takeoff. It is so diluted, it just does not pack a punch. Think of it as flavored water. You're drinking something, but you're not getting nutrition. Number 2, STP Fuel Injector Cleaner, regular formula. STP is a big name, and that is why people grab it. But their regular formula? Honestly, it's like brushing your teeth with plain water. You feel like you cleaned something, but the grime is still there. A mechanic friend I know told me he sees customers all the time saying, I've been using STP every fill-up and my car still runs rough. Of course it does. It's just too weak. Number 3, Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant and Injector Cleaner. Now Lucas is a trusted brand, but this product, it's more of a lube than a cleaner. I used it myself once in an older truck. Sure, the engine sounded smoother, but did it clean injectors? Nope. If you have a modern car with clogged injectors and expect a deep clean, Lucas is not the answer.
Number 4, Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus, small bottle. Now, don't get me wrong, Techron is one of the best cleaners. But here's the trick. Those little bottles at the counter, they are too weak. I had a buddy with a high-mileage BMW who grabbed the small one. He used it, came back saying, man, I didn't notice anything. That is because he needed the big high-mileage formula. Small bottles are just marketing. Number 5, Royal Purple Max Clean. The bottle looks premium. The branding screams high performance. The results? Meh. I have seen so many reviews where people said, no change in mileage, no change in idle, just wasted money. It's like buying a luxury watch that cannot even tell time correctly. Number 6, Blue Magic Total Fuel System Cleaner. The name Total makes it sound like it will clean everything. In reality, not so much. One mechanic compared it to pouring soda into your tank. Lots of fizz, not much fight. Most drivers who tried it noticed nothing at all. Number 7, Valvoline Complete Fuel System Cleaner. Valvoline, fantastic for oil, but this cleaner? Total letdown. A friend of mine used 3 bottles in his Nissan Altima hoping to fix a rough idle. Nothing. No change. Waste of time. Number 8, Seafoam Motor Treatment. For injectors only. Before the Seafoam fans roast me, hear me out. Seafoam has its uses. It is great for cleaning intake valves and crankshafts, but for injectors specifically, it is too mild. Guys dump it in expecting miracles, but their car runs the same. Good general cleaner? Yes, but for injectors, look elsewhere. 5 injector cleaners that actually work. Now let's flip the script. Here are the products that mechanics, enthusiasts, and everyday drivers swear by. Number 1. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. Large bottle, high mileage formula. This is the real Techron that works. Packed with PEA, it breaks down carbon like nothing else. A neighbor of mine had a Toyota Camry with 180,000 miles. He used the high mileage Techron, and within 1 week, his idle smoothed out and hesitation was gone. Number 2. Redline SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner. Hands down, one of the most recommended. It is loaded with PEA, one of the highest concentrations available. I remember a car forum where dozens of people swore by it. One guy said his old Mustang GT felt like it got a tune-up after just 1 tank. This one deep cleans.
Number 3. BG44K Fuel System Cleaner. Little harder to find, usually dealerships are online, but wow, is it strong. A mechanic buddy told me dealerships use BG44K in their maintenance packages because it is one of the few products powerful enough to fix rough-running engines. Yes, it costs more, but it works. Number 4. Liquimoly Jectron Fuel Injector Cleaner. Made in Germany, and it delivers. I used it myself in a Volkswagen Jetta with a rough idle. After 1 treatment, smoother idle, better throttle. Not as aggressive as Redline or BG, but fantastic for regular maintenance. Number 5. Royal Purple Max Atomizer Fuel Injector Cleaner. Do not confuse this with Max Clean we roasted earlier. The Max Atomizer is the real deal. A friend with a direct injection Audi tried it. Within a week, his throttle response was noticeably sharper. This is the one you want for modern engines.
Bonus tips. Don't overuse injector cleaners. Most good ones only need to be used every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, not every fill-up. Always pair them with quality fuel. Top-tier gas matters. And remember, these cleaners are maintenance, not magic. If your injectors are totally clogged, no bottle will save you. You need professional cleaning. So, bottom line, most injector cleaners out there, total hype. Don't waste your money. Stick with proven products like Redline SI1, BG44K, or the stronger Techron formulas, and your car will thank you with smoother performance and better fuel economy. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, share it with a friend you might be wasting money, and let me know in the comments, what injector cleaners have you tried, and did they actually work? And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more no BS car tips, because keeping your car running great doesn't have to be complicated. You just need the right info. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.